Now I want you to give me your ears, give me your attention. I don't want anything to distract you. Within the few minutes we'll be looking at these questions that could come out in JAMB use of English. I want us to review it, about 20 questions. I am seriously preparing you to score at least 300 in your JAMB. Shebi, that is our agreement. 300 in your JAMB. So I want you to give me your attention. Let us review these questions that could come out in use of English. The more we do these things, the more we review these questions, more likely for you to pass, because sometimes JAMB will repeat their questions, only that they will twist it. They will twist it in such a way that you may not recognize it. But if we do more and more and more of them, you increase your chances of passing. So give me your attention, and I want you to be serious. I am giving free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllables to the serious ones. If you want to receive them, just watch this video from now to the end of this video. At the end of this video, I will share with you free JAMB past question on use of English and the other 3 subjects, and also free JAMB syllables on use of English and the other subjects. Now pay attention. Number 1. Dele's speech at the naming ceremony made father angry. Dele's speech at the naming ceremony made father angry. Now, what is the emphasized word there? Angry. Choose the capital letter that has the emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given sentence relates. A. Did Wale's speech at the naming ceremony make his father angry? Did Wale's speech at the naming ceremony make his father happy? Did Wale's silence at the naming ceremony make his father happy? Did Wale's speech at the naming ceremony make his mother happy? The answer is, did Wale's speech at the naming ceremony make his father happy? Happy. Okay? Number 2. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter underlined. What is the letter underlined here? Famous. And the underlined one is A. Measure. B. Breakfast. C. West. D. Brave. The answer is D. Brave. The A in famous and the A in brave are similar. Number 3. I hope you are following. Choose the appropriate stress pattern from the options. The stress syllables are written in capital letter. Choose the appropriate stress pattern. A. Professional. B. Professional. C. Professional. D. Professional. The answer is C. And you can see the reason in the screen. Okay, that is why it is quite very easy to fail use of English, because you will be answering the wrong thing thinking you are passing. That is why people fail use of English woefully. Last year, you can see the massive failure that happened in use of English and generally in JAMB. But it's not your portion. Claim it. It's not your portion. No. You must score 300 and above. If you claim 300 and above, type for me, I claim 300 and above in the comment section. Question 4. Choose the appropriate stress pattern from the option apology. Apology. Is it apology? Is it apology? Is it apology? Is it apology? The answer is B. You can see the reason on the screen. Question number 5. Remember, I want you to watch this video slowly. When you finish watching this first time, come back and watch it again. Come back and watch it again 2 times, 3 times, this particular video. And the other videos we've done. Remember, what you are watching is probably question video 9. I've done a lot of, this is a series. I've done a lot of videos on use of English, past questions on use of English, syllables on use of English, and 15 topics that will come out on use of English. If you need me to give you that video, just tell me to give you free link. The free link to all the videos I've done on use of English, and I will give it to you free because I am helping you to score 300 and above. Question 5. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the underlined letters. A. Achieve. Canon. B. Darkness. C. Deep sea. D. Lighter. The answer is B. Darkness. Achieve. Okay. Question 6. Since the flight, Joy and Gift have refused to talk to Dash. Since the flight or the fight, Joy and Gift have refused to talk to Dash. A. Each other. B. We. C. Themselves. D. One another. The answer is each other because there are just two. You use each other when there are just two parties. If there are more than two, you could use themselves. Okay. Number 7. We went home early. Dash. We went home early. Dash. This one is question tags. We went home early. Dash. A. We did. B. Shall we? 3. Didn't we? 4. Didn't us? Of course, you know the answer is didn't we. We went home early. Didn't we? Are you following? If you are following, let me know. And I also want you to tell me the kind of videos you want me to make that will help you. If there are other kind of videos at the end of this video, when you watch to the end, you can tell me the kind of videos you want me to make. And that is exclusively for those that have joined Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. No one is there to reply. No one is there to reply. Dash. Are there? Is he or she? Are we? Aren't he or she? The answer is A. Are there? No one is there to reply. Are there? The plan for the party dash due to incorporation. The plan for the party dash due to incorporation. That is, people weren't cooperating. The plan for the party dash due to incorporation. A. Fell through. B. Fell about. C. Fell out. D. Fell down. The answer is fell through. For something to fall through means the thing no work again. The thing refused to work. Did not work again. Okay. Question number 10. We had to dash the group headed by Taiwo. We had to dash the group headed by Taiwo. A. Sell off the group. B. Sell out the group. C. Sell up the group. D. Sell. The answer is B. Sell out. That means to disappoint that group. Question number 11. Remember that I've done quite a lot of videos on the JAMB novel, Lucky Headmaster. You should be expecting at least 10 questions from that novel. I will give to you free. If you need me to give you free access to all the videos I've done on Lucky Headmaster, including reading it chapter by chapter, reviewing it chapter by chapter, and all the Expo questions on that book, let me know. I can give you free access to the book, but you have to indicate that it is Lucky Headmaster videos you want me to give, and I'll give them to you. Okay. Question 11. James and Henry were at daggers drawn when I knew them. James and Henry were at daggers drawn when I knew them. This means that A. were good at drawing daggers. B. always wore daggers. C. were fighting every day. D. were always angry with each other. The answer is they were very angry with each other. If they say the man kicked bucket, it doesn't mean the man is playing ball with bucket. It means the man died. So if they say people are daggers draw, it means they are always angry at each other. Are you with me? Question number 12. My book has become dog-eared through use. This means that A. the corners of the pages of my book are crumpled. B. my book is designed like dog ears. C. my book is torn. D. my book is indispensable. The answer is A. The corners of the book of my book, the corners of the pages of my book are crumpled. Are you following? If you are following, please let me know. If you are following the videos I've been doing, if you have been benefiting from the videos, also let me know. Also let me know. Knowing that you benefit will help me to make more videos like this for you. I had dinner with Tony and Nick, and they talked shop the whole time. I had dinner with Tony and Nick, and they talked shop the whole time. A. this means that they talked dash about their job. B. all the time. C. about buying things from the shop. D. about taking me to the shop. The answer is A. To talk shop means to talk about your job or work. Do you understand? So the talk shop means they were talking about their job. Are you still with me, or have I lost you? Are you still with me? Okay. Number 14. Choose the word that has the same consonant sound as the underlying letter. A. Bring. That is N. Bring. A. Wing. B. Swig. The gear. And sin. The answer is A. Bring. Swing. That is A. 14. Nearest in meaning. Dash. BC has become an indispensable member of staff. Which word is nearest in meaning to indispensable? A. Dedicated. B. Principal. C. Vital. D. Effective. The answer is vital. Something that is indispensable is something that is vital. Are you with me? Okay. Nearest in meaning. A good leader is resolute in his decision. A good leader is resolute in his decision. A. Unbiased. B. Strong. D. Stubborn. 4. D. Firm. It is firm. A firm leader, a resolute leader is not shaking. 17. Nearest in meaning. Are you following? At the end of this video which you are watching, I will give you free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus, and I can also be guiding you. By now you should have a timetable. You should have a working timetable. You should have a JAMB timetable. Remember, we have just few days till JAMB exam starts. So I need you need to have a working timetable. If you don't have and you need me to help you craft one, you let me know. It is not free. I won't do it free, but it is very, very crucial, right? If you have not gotten Lucky Headmaster, I want to get it from me, also let me know. Anything you need that will help you to pass, please speak up. We don't have time. Remember also that nobody will help you in the exam. It is you and your laptop or computer that day. Anybody promising that you should chat anybody up, send money to anybody that will increase your grade, the person is a scammer. Run away. The best way is for you to start now and read. Watch the videos I keep posting. Go over to our channel, check all the videos we have been doing and watch them. Follow me Bomber to Fender as I keep giving you videos. Question 17. Nearest in meaning. Mr. Brown is often described as an astute businessman. As an astute businessman. What does astute mean? When you encounter any word you don't understand, rush to your dictionary, or you can rush to Google, or you could rush to a physical dictionary or a dictionary in your phone and find out the meaning of the word. Mr. Brown is often described as an astute businessman. A. Shrewd. B. Misery. C. Proud. D. Thrifty. The answer is shrewd businessman. That is serious, astute. Now I want to give you a second assignment. Comment on this video and tell me the meaning of the word miserly. Miserly. Or find out the meaning of a miser. If I say Mr. Emmanuel is a miser or miser, M-I-S-A-R, what do I mean? So tell me the meaning, please. Very important. Question 18. Nearest in meaning, synonyms. The collector could not tell whether the painting was genuine or not. Genuine. So similar in mean, word nearest meaning to genuine. A. Valid. B. Authentic. C. Expensive. D. Reliable. The answer is B. Authentic. Authentic things are genuine things. Okay. Then we look at question 19. Opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning. The test shows that the lumps are malignant. The test shows that the lumps are what? Malignant. Okay. Opposite in meaning. So A. Numerous. B. Benign. C. Cancerous. D. Dominant. The answer is B. Benign. So malignant means harmful. Benign means the opposite. That is not harmful. Question 20. Opposite in meaning. The children await a severe punishment. The children await a severe punishment. A. Rigorous punishment. B. Remember, severe is the word we are finding the opposite in meaning. Severe, rigorous punishment. B. Simple punishment. 3. Mild punishment. 4. harsh punishment. I won't answer it. I want you to tell me the answer of question 20 in the comment section. Just rush to the comment and tell me the answer of question 20, and you will give me a reason why you choose that answer. Now, for you to receive free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past question, do 4 things. Each of them are important. Number 1, join this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. You can see the option to join. Click on it and join our YouTube channel. Very important. Number 2 is for you to smash the like button, like this video, then share this video, this particular video you are watching. Click on share it on YouTube, share it, copy the link, share it on all the groups, JAMB groups you belong to, all the groups for JAMB Bites, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on X, on all other social media platforms. Send it to your friends, share it with your friends that are also writing JAMB. It will help them to pass. Then when you like and share, remember to join our YouTube channel first and foremost. Then you come under this video and type I have subscribed. That is, like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see the option to subscribe. Click on it and subscribe. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send those materials to you. But 1, you must have answered the questions, the assignment I gave you. 2, you must have joined our YouTube channel. 3, you must have liked this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, you will now come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Remember the question I gave you, question 20. Tell me the answer also. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.